Leaders, are the people following you being more or simply doing more? Welcome to Mentoring Moments. I'm Pam Ross. I'll be right back. As a leader who works primarily with volunteers, I make a lot of invitations for people to follow me. I'm usually describing what they would be doing if they accepted my gracious invitation. But in Matthew 4, Jesus didn't give the details of being on his travel team. He simply said, "Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men." And he made good on his promise. Peter preached on the day of Pentecost, and 3,000 people got saved. Now that's fishing. Big time. Good leaders influence others and make great things happen. Great leaders influence others and produce great people as well. So this week, look around you and ask yourself, who's being made? Until next week, success and progress.